just to cap it off, ito, nag-couple shirt kami ni Mel and we wanted to open up some packs. So ito gagawin namin for this one. We're gonna rip until we hit. And the hit is an AR above. Okay, game?
Game.
We're now at Hashinko Hobbies to open these packs. So let's see. Game. Again, two, three, go. Wala.
Wala.
Okay. Second pack. 2, 3, go. 1. Ah! Tatlo na? Sige, game. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah!
Wala pa.
Kailangan titigil na to. Fourth pack.
Go. 1, 2, 3, we go.
Oh! Yes! Nakaka-stress pala yun. Pero trainer pa. So panalo si Mel.
Yes!
Oh, panalo na rin ako dun. Thank you.
Panalang 1. Ay, panaling 1.
Sige, samahan ko si Mel. Fifth pack.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh! Ay, hindi. EX pala.
Panalo pa rin.
Okay, good job. Thank you.
Of course.